Kia ora koutou. Welcome to the next video about ngā tūkē. This one is about adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner relate to how or the way actions are performed. I've added 3 examples here. Kino, when an action is related to something negative. Āta, when an action is done slowly, carefully, or with caution or consideration. And tika, when an action is done the right way or correctly. Here's some examples. Kua kōrero kino ngā tāngata mō ngā mahi o te kāwanatanga. The people have spoken badly about the actions of the government. The next one, āta. Me āta wānanga tātou e pāna ki tēnei take. Āta can mean carefully, but it can also mean gently, slowly, or purposefully. This is a pretty versatile little kupu, and it sits before the tūmahi to indicate that special care is taken when performing the action. The last one is tika. In this sentence, it means correctly. E noho tika ngā ākonga I te akoranga katoa. The student sat correctly for the duration of the lesson. Here's a few more examples of some adverbs of manner that we touched on in the adverbs overview video. The first one is tino. Kaore nā ākonga I te tino marama ki ngā tohutohu. The students didn't really understand the instructions. The next one is tere, which we place before the tūmahi to show that something is done, or in this case, should be done quickly. Me tere o te tātou I a tātou mahi. And the last example is āhua. When the kupu āhua is placed before an action word or a describing word, it indicates that something is sort of, kind of, or somewhat so. For example, I āhua pai te hui I tēnei ata. The meeting was kind of good this morning. It was okay, but it wasn't great. So just to recap, adverbs of manner relate to the way an action is done, whether it's quickly, carefully, or correctly. That's it for adverbs of manner. Next up is adverbs of time. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou. Hei aini.